Hi all, welcome back once again to VIH Hack Talk series. Today we are having a lot of interesting news, so let's get right into the video. So first news is related to FBI. So FBI IC3, which is called Internet Crime Complaint Center, has released its 2023 Internet Crime Report, which is recorded as 22% increase in reported losses, which is compared to 2023, which is amounting to a record of 12.5 billion US dollars. The number of relevant complaints submitted to the FBI in 2023 reached 8,80,000, which is 10% higher than the previous year, with the age group topping the report being people over 60, which shows how vulnerable older adults are to cybercrime. Basically, both the figures continues the worrying trend seen by the agency since 2019, where complaints and losses rise yearly. So this is graph that you can see for 2023. The type of crimes that increased were tech support scams and extortion, whereas phishing and personal data breach and non-payment or non-delivery scams slightly warned. So this is a very trend. This is the recent finding that FBI found during the analysis of their previous year. Now next news is related to the Chrome and Chrome users. So millions of Chrome users now have a way to guard against the threat of extension subversion, that is, if they don't mind installing yet another browser extension. So it is said that Chrome users that get an alert when extensions are in danger of falling into the wrong hands. So there is a person, Matt Freebie, which is a software developer and programming book author, has recently released a Chrome add-on called Under New Management to alert users when installed extensions have changed owner. So this is very much important, and I recommend you to install this extension. This will going to help you to get out of some vulnerable plugin. Now next news is coming from the great country India. India plans 10,000 GPU sovereign AI supercomputer. So Indian government has approved 10,300 crore funding package to bolster the national AI infrastructure. The cornerstone of the effort is planned supercomputer that will have at least 10,000 GPUs, and the government has released no other details of the machine, which will be the part of India AI compute capacity, and has said it expect a public-private partnership will be needed to build the machine. So another initiative will see the creation of a new academic institution, the India AI Innovation Center, which is talked with the leading and developing of foundation models. So it is expected to have the specific emphasis on the indigenous largest model multimode, which is LMMS, and domain specific models. The center will focus on leveraging edge and distributing computer for optimal efficiency. So this is very interesting news, and this is very important for the Indians, and this will boost actually the AI department, AI field of Indian all over the world. Now next news is related to Microsoft and Russian hackers. So recently Microsoft has confirmed Russian hackers stole source code and some customer secrets. So Microsoft on Friday revealed that the Kremlin-backed threat actors known as Midnight Blizzard, which is called April 29 or Cozy Bear, they managed to gain access to some of its source code repository and internal system, followed a hack that came in light in January 2024. So the tech giant actually said that in recent week we have seen evidence that Midnight Blizzard is using information initially exfiltrated from a corporate email system to gain or attempt to gain or unauthorized access. So this has been included access to some of the company's source code, repository and internal system. To date, we have actually found no evidence that Microsoft hosted customer facing system and have been compromised. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this video and got a lot of things to know. Let me know your feedback in the comment box, and let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.